Welcome to LegalTrek presentation videos. In this presentation, we will show you our new feature called Workload. That new feature will allow you to see the work planned of the whole team for the next days and weeks, and the productivity measured with the time entries. This would help you to see the workload and productivity of the team at a glance. First, we have to visit the Workload page. In order to do so, go to Menu and then Workload. In its page, we can see our coworker worked hours or estimated one for the week or month. By clicking coworker name, we can see his task, and by clicking on the empty field, we can easily set task or event automatically assigned to the chosen coworker. We can see the same information for a past week or the upcoming one. We can also find weekly summary in the last 3 columns, like total worked, total estimated, and total for week. I'm sure you'll find our new feature useful. Thanks for watching and see you soon for more and more new features and functionalities.